Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create the perfect wing eyeliner. I'm going to show you two ways, the cat eye and the puppy eye. So I promise you it's going to be super easy, super quick. It's going to save you a lot of time and frustration. So if you want to learn how to do it, please keep on watching.
The first thing that you need is an angle brush like this one. I'm using the angle brush number 15 from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Also, you need a pot gel eyeliner. I'm using the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner in black. The key for this technique is to use the brush as a guide for your eyeliner. In an ideal world, you want to start your line from the end of your lash line towards the tail of your eyebrow. I like to start with little product in my brush to make the first mark and then add more product as needed. As soon as you have your first mark, just angle the brush a little bit to create the triangle that is going to be your wing. After that, you can just go and fill out the rest of your lash line. In particular, I like a thin eyeliner. That is why this brush and this technique is perfect for that look. However, you can make your line and wig as thick as you want. You can use the tip of the brush to fill out any gaps or add more product if you want the line to be more intense.
There you have it. Really simple and easy to do. But you might tell me, nice, but I don't like that cat eyeliner makeup look. I prefer something more subtle, more like that puppy cute eyeliner look that we can see on every Asian Korean makeup tutorial here on YouTube. And let me tell you, you can still achieve that look with this same technique. So let me show you how.
As I did before, just use the brush as a guide. Only that this time the brush is not so angled and it's more parallel to your eye. This way, what we are doing is elongating the lash line. Then, again, just angle the brush a little bit and start putting the product along the lash line. For this particular look, to make the eye more round, sweet, and cute, don't take the product or don't drag the product until the end of the lash line. I will say only like 3/4 of it.
Okay, that's all. I hope you find this video interesting and you were able to catch one or two tips about how to get your perfect winged eyeliner. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notifications bell. See you next time. Bye.